Hello everyone, welcome to our latest product update video. From server migration to UX improvements, let's see what's new and how this can benefit you. Firstly, we migrated our servers to Google Cloud Run, which is a platform built on Google's scalable infrastructure. This move means that Sheetgo now loads twice as fast, making your data management more reliable than ever. Moving on to user experience, we have two updates. First, we've aligned your transfer quota resets with your individual billing cycles. This update ensures that your quota resets exactly when your billing starts, providing you with more transparency on your quota consumption. Additionally, we've updated our error notification system, providing you with more control over it. You can now customize the level of notification that you want to receive, as well as how frequently you want to receive it. As for feature enhancements, we're also covering two topics. Starting with dashboards, we've added rich text formatting capabilities. This means you can apply bold, italics, color formatting, and even adding hyperlinks directly into your dashboards. Also, you can now view the dashboards directly in your workflow view. We've also introduced a file information sidebar within the workflow. This provides you with a holistic view of your file information, allowing you to track and navigate through your files more easily. Last but not least, we wanted to thank you for your support on our product hunt launch on Sheetgo Forms. Thanks to you, we reached number 3 of the day. That is it for our April product updates. Remember that if you have any ideas or requests, to leave them in the community. We have big things aligned for May, so I'll see you next month.